Epic Originals presents Adventure Kingdom, Book 1, Key to the Kingdom. Written by Steve Fox. Illustrated by Pedro Rodriguez. Performed by Todd Habercorn and Taylor Meskimen. We're here at Adventure Kingdom Theme Park, where world-famous showman Jerome Barker is about to award the grand prize to one lucky lottery winner.
The excitement's building. What will the prize be?
Some might say that Lady Luck is blind, but I think she knew exactly what she was doing when she picked this fine young gentleman, Clark, my boy. You are the winner of this. In this world, half a coin is nothing, but half a magic coin. Well now, if you play your cards right, if you keep hope in your heart, if you become a friend to a friend in need, someday all this could be yours.
5 years later.
What's up, followers? Clarkside 07 here, and you're all gonna want to see this. You've heard the, rumors about Adventure Kingdom closing. Some say that old man Barker got lost in the Hall of Mirrors and went crazy staring at his own reflection. All we know for sure is he disappeared. No one set foot in here ever since. They say it's totally 100% abandoned.
What a mess. We're drowning in broken souvenirs. Another raccoon? This place is a disaster.
Wow, this place is still amazing.
No raccoons here. One of these days, I'm gonna get you a fresh coat of paint, Winnie. I can't fix everything, but I can fix you.
Oh, I remember you. Welcome to the Clarkside, everyone. Your boy is back on the stream.
Hey, what are you doing here? The park is closed. And are you filming?
Whoa, I thought you were security for a second. Check it out, followers. Another kid broke in.
I didn't break in. You broke in. I live here. And put that phone down.
Come on, who lives in an abandoned theme park? What are you really doing here? My over 2,000 followers want to know.
My family takes care of the place is all. Besides, I'm the one asking the questions. I could have you arrested.
You know that's a plastic sword, right?
Wait, where did you get that necklace?
Honestly, I won it. I don't know why I even still wear it.
Wait a minute. I know who you are. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Well, it's not me. Whoa. How'd you do that?
I don't know. You don't think this still works, do you?
Hey, don't!
I should have known. It's a dud.
Well, now what? That's half mine, you know.
Maybe we can break it again, if it's that important to you. Oh, what is that? Get it off me!
That's our coin!
Kid?
Look out!
you!
I think you just saved my life.
Wow, I did? Clarkside 07 here. Followers, you're not gonna believe this.
Will you put the phone down? What the heck is going on? Why did my carousel just run away?
Aye, why indeed. Was it little old me? Ah, okay, video over. Update soon. Bye.
Finally!
That guy was a pig. A big guy. Guy pig.
Be quiet and keep running. Ugh!
Ah, gross. Oi! You brats can't run from hog swallow. I'll sniff you out. Just as soon as I get unstuck. Blasted slide could barely fit a piglet. Did we lose it?
I don't know. I hope so.
Yo, Clarkside 07, signing back on.
Will you stop that? He's going to see the light.
Give that back.
8 followers?
It takes time to build an audience, okay?
Hey, 2 more and you'll be in double digits. I'm Caroline, by the way.
My name's
Clarkside 07. I know.
Clark, for short. Sorry about the whole followers thing.
That's okay. I wasn't totally honest either. My family isn't just taking care of this place. My granddad built it. Now that he's gone, we're just watching it fall apart.
Hold on. Your granddad was Old Man Barker?
He was. And now I know why you look familiar. I was there the day you won the coin, Clark. I watched him choose you.
No one chooses a kid like me. I just had the winning ticket. Total accident.
Granddad never did things by accident. If you got it, then I guess he wanted you to have it.
He said something to me that day about hope. That's not something I had a lot of, you know? How'd you get your half? He gave it to you, right?
Well,
It don't matter how the granddaughter of the Grand Jerome got it. If you're the Grand Jerome's flesh and blood, then this belongs to you. Sorry, I didn't realize who you was before. No way. A talking monkey. I got a name, kid. It's Eddie. Hey, follow.
don't even start.
I'm sorry to say the Grand Jerome, he ain't coming back. Not unless you help him.
What do you mean, the Grand Jerome? Are you talking about my granddad?
Yeah, I am. Jerome Barker. Boy, people on your world loved him. But back on my world, well, love him or hate him, the Grand Jerome was the greatest wizard there ever was.
Granddad wasn't a wizard. He was a little kooky, maybe.
Look, I seen the Grand Jerome use this coin. It's dangerous in the wrong hands. That's why we gotta protect it. Well, look at this. Eddie the double-crossing monkey. Now, what's this shiny little bauble, Eddie? The Grand Jerome's golden coin. We'll bust this prison wide open. Time to wake up the boss.
Back off.
What's you gonna do with that, little miss? You're lucky I got what I came for. Run away home while you still can, little piggies. Things are about to change in a big, bad way. Wow, for a second there I thought we were pig food.
Yeah. We gotta get that coin back, Clark.
Whoa, you heard that, monster. Something bad's about to happen.
Eddie said we're the ones who can stop it.
You trust a talking monkey?
Granddad gave you half of his magic coin, Clark. You. Please. I don't know if I can do it alone.
Even if I said yes, how the heck are we supposed to get the coin back from that walking bacon cheeseburger.
Well, I have this crazy idea.
Don't do it, Hogswallop. You don't have to let him free. You change your tune faster than the music on the carousel, Eddie. Have a seat, you chimp. The boss will deal with you soon enough.
Let the monkey go!
Yeah! Clarkside 07 to the rescue. You can't be kidding me. It's a blasted Key Cavalry. You want this? Come get it, you knuckleheads.
Oh my gosh!
That's it. No more Mr. Nice Pig. Look out!
Winnie, you can fly? Of course you can fly. All right, let's do this.
Yeah! Oi! Yeehaw! Why are we stopping here? That big guy is still out there. And he won't quit. Hogswallop never quits. Throw the coin in. It's the only way. What? Why? The coin is also a key. Look, if you want to help the Grand Jerome, we ain't got time to argue. The last time we used it, we started all this mess. But he's your grandfather. It's your choice.
Hope you knew what you were doing, Granddad.
Oh, he's gone and done it, boss. That double-crossing Eddie made off with the grand pain in the butt's golden coin. Took a couple of human brats through the wishing well, too. But don't worry. We'll get the coin back. They got no idea what's waiting for 'em on the other side.
Woo, intense. So, what do you think is waiting for them on the other side? Also, on the slide after you answer that question, I would like to know, would you like to continue reading Pet Slime? Because I believe it goes up to book 7. Or would you like to continue this Adventure Kingdom book? I don't know how many books they have. Let me know.